Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about imagining team Westindies celebrating winning the ICC Cricket World Cup 2023 using Leonardo.AI and Google Bard. So my friends, I'm sorry for that, pardon me. First of all, we are going to create our prompt, and the prompt I have given is an AI image description of all the Westindies players wearing their jerseys and celebrating winning the ICC Cricket World Cup 2023 and holding the trophy. Please include the players' cricketing gear like a bat, ball, wicket keeper gloves and wickets as well. Please do not mention the word young. This is a negative prompt that I was forced to give, my friends, because previously when I was doing similar prompts, Google Bart kept giving me this young word, which is not acceptable in Leonardo.AI, my friends. So I'm going to I have given Bart to generate the prompt for me. Leaps into the celebration holding the ICC Cricket World Cup. This is it, my friends, and I'm going to copy this prompt and go to Leonardo.AI. So my friends, I have pasted this prompt. As you can see in the last video I made about Leonardo.AI, I used the prompt generation, but this time I am going a bit descriptive because the prompt generation doesn't give you that much. And my friends, I'm going to mix it up over here a bit. So I'm going to cancel photoreal this time and going to select another this one, absolute reality 1.6, and here I'm going to select photography as the style for it, my friends. So I have used the featured model absolute reality version 1.6 and use photography as the style. So let's generate it, my friends. Let's see how Leonardo.ai generates our prompt. It's taking some time, I think around about 15 seconds or more. Yes, it's taken 18 seconds now, and in the 19-second mark it's my friends, this is the World Cup, my friends, and the jersey is yellow and brown, maroon. So I'll put this AI image as the custom thumbnail of the video as well, my friends. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Iconic maroon. So I'm going to wait a minute, my friends. I'm going to put maroon only, my friends, and generate once again because I don't like the color of it, my friends. I don't like the yellow color representing the Westindies team. And let's wait a bit, my friends. This is it, my friends. This is a much better picture. So what I'm going to do, my friends, is upscale it maybe. Alchemy smooth upscale, use this as well. Upscale the image so it's looking much brighter. The World Cup trophy is looking much brighter, my friends. So thanks for watching, my friends. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Take care.